and say it here.
Can you please back out? I'll do anything you want. Paano mo nalaman di ako marunong mag-swim?
Next up for the Q&A, Miss Lucia.
Sorry, Lucia. Sorry. So sorry.
Here's your question. What does this competition mean to you?
Boss, did you handle it?
Shut up.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Joining and winning this competition is a love letter from me to the world. I want to tell the people that I love its fairness, that success is not only for the selected few, but for those who are willing to do the work for it. Thank you so much.
Wow, that was beautifully said. Now, I'm going to announce on ways how these lovely ladies can attain bonus points in this competition. Our esports star, Mr. Pan, will be joining our beautiful ladies in a mobile legend game. Ladies, who wants to join? Are you ready?
Magsisimula na nga ang abang-abang ng show match. Ang player na magpapakita ng malapro na galing ay mafe-feature bilang in-game battle emote sa MLBB. Ang nakapit na nga si Hannah, gagamitin niya si Akal with the 8 anniversary skin. Mukhang nakakapita na yung dalawang curve. Sino naman kaya ang pipiliin ni Bisaya? Wow! Sabi na isa pala siya. Gusto ko lang ito. Bukod pa dyan, inaantas na ang type of build. Mukhang kamali-kamali niyang laro itong build na ito.
Luna would use this blood setup.
Yun na yun?